Once upon a time, in a small village, there was a young boy named Ravi. Ravi loved to play with his friends and listen to stories. One day, Ravi's teacher told him that if he learned English, he could read books from all over the world, talk to people from different countries, and even get a good job when he grew up. Ravi was excited and decided to learn English, but he didn't know where to start. His teacher gave him some advice. Learning English is like planting a tree. It takes time, patience, and care. Start with simple words. Ravi began with simple words. He learned words like cat, dog, apple, and ball every day. He practiced these words with his friends and family. He even wrote them down in a small notebook. Whenever he saw a cat or an apple, he would say the word out loud. This made it easier for him to remember. Listen and repeat. Ravi's teacher told him to listen to English as much as possible. So, Ravi started listening to English songs and watching English cartoons. At first, he didn't understand everything, but he didn't give up. He listened carefully and tried to repeat the words and sentences. Over time, he began to understand more and more. Read simple books. Next, Ravi started reading simple English books. His teacher gave him a book with short stories. The stories were easy to understand and had pictures to help him. Ravi read one story every day. When he found a new word, he would ask his teacher or look it up in a dictionary. Slowly, his vocabulary grew. Practice speaking. Ravi knew that to speak English well, he needed to practice. So he started speaking English with his friends. They played games in English, asked each other simple questions, and even tried to tell jokes. Sometimes they made mistakes, but they learned from them. The more they practiced, the more confident they became. Write every day. Ravi also started writing in English every day. He wrote about his day, his family, and his dreams. At first, he made a lot of mistakes, but his teacher helped him correct them. Writing helped Ravi to organize his thoughts and remember the words he had learned. Never give up. There were times when Ravi felt frustrated. Learning English was not always easy. But his teacher reminded him that learning a new language is a journey. Every day you are getting better, she said. Ravi believed her and kept going. Celebrate progress. After a few months, Ravi realized that he could understand English songs, read simple books, and have short conversations. He was proud of his progress. His teacher praised him, and his friends admired his hard work. Ravi's journey to learning English was not over. He knew he still had a lot to learn. But now, he had the confidence to keep going. He understood that learning English was not just about knowing words and grammar, it was about exploring a new world. And so, Ravi continued his journey, one word at a time, enjoying every step along the way.